Okay, just wanted to show everybody that the Nexus 7 docking stations are making their way to the US. I just got mine through excaliburpc.com and it was $39.99 plus $10 shipping, so it will run you about $50, but I didn't care because this is really the only Nexus 7 accessory that I wanted. Okay, so let's pull it out. Instructions. Docking station. Let me set this down. Nexus 7. Spin it around here. Asus. Got the micro USB and the audio out. Got a rubberized bottom here, so it don't slide. Let's plug this thing in, see what happens. Okay, the docking station is hooked up. Take my Nexus 7 and stick it in here. Okay, there's the Nexus 7. It made a little clicking noise and put me right into daydream mode, which is jelly flinger. And there it is, showing it's charging. So that's basically it.